Bird's name.
Robin. Known for their red breast, robins are common in many gardens and parks. They are easy to spot and have a cheerful song. Parrot. Colourful and intelligent, parrots can mimic sounds and human speech. They are often kept as pets and can be very entertaining. Blue jay. Recognisable by their bright blue colour and loud calls, blue jays are curious and bold birds often seen in North America. Penguin. These flightless birds are excellent swimmers. Penguins live in cold climates like Antarctica and are known for their distinctive black and white appearance. Owl. Known for their nocturnal habits and hooting calls, owls have large eyes and can rotate their heads significantly, which fascinates kids. Hummingbird. Tiny and fast, hummingbirds can hover in place and are attracted to colourful flowers. They are known for their rapid wing flaps. Duck. Ducks are commonly found in ponds and lakes. They are easily recognisable by their quacking and waddle. Feeding ducks is a popular activity for kids. Peacock. Famous for their beautiful iridescent tail feathers that fan out in a stunning display. Peacocks are a hit at zoos and bird parks. Canary. Small and brightly coloured, canaries are known for their pleasant singing. They make lovely pets and are easy to care for. Eagle. Majestic birds of prey with powerful beaks and talons. Eagles are often symbols of strength and freedom and can be exciting to spot in the wild or learn about in books.